What up, what up, what is happening, good people? These Cheyenne, nothing fancy. Short bed shorty, green something, I don't know. Getting new shoes. Boom! Shaka laka 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 laka. You see that? Texas edition. Can't remember what they're called. Texas edition Chevrolet. You got the 20. Ba-doom! 22. Yep, back. Man, big shout out. Cortez Resto Mod. You know, if y'all look, we're going to put a picture or video or skin piece of these exact wheels on his OBS. He's played a big role in trying to get this OBS in on the road, man. Big time help, big time shout out. We're going to go ahead and try to get these mounted on. 20 in the front, 22 in the back. Y'all know the look that I'm trying to go for. So we're gonna make it happen, man. Now that we got some rubber on, we're gonna have some rubber. And Shorty Doo-Wop, she gonna no more of that. You know what I'm saying? Think she gonna be out here burning the tires off. Plus, with a bigger, heavier tire, it's gonna take a lot more to get it done anyway. This poor little 5.3 stock 5.3 may not do it. I don't know, but we're gonna try to make it happen. We're on the OBS. Got another video coming to y'all. Update video. Man, we'll do the walk around on it coming up. Let's get to putting these wheels on, y'all. All right, y'all see it. We're gonna get them on here. Please don't address the attire. I'm cooling. I'm relaxing. I'm at home. Trying to just decompress.
Hi, y'all. Sorry about the delay. Maybe the brake looks, maybe it won't. Wow. Figured it wouldn't break it loose. Figured it wouldn't break it loose. It's not in the wall. No dice. So, wheel fell off with that one. Front driver. I call myself coming out here because it's hopefully cooled off, but that ain't the case. As long as we get moving around a little bit. Man, don't tell me that one. It's stripped out. I can't do that. It'll be rough trying to get these off. You gotta strip that one, y'all. Need some muscle. Shorty over talking about do I need some muscle. I think I'm gonna just go get some air. Careful. Get the air. Man, this ain't good, y'all.
Acting like they're stripped. Yeah, it's a lot warmer than I thought. All right, y'all, we back. Another day, another time. Trying to get these new wheels, these Texas Edition 20s, 22s on the OBS. Man, it's hot, dude. It's hot. It's hot. They say it's hot as fish grease. I don't know, man. It's hot.
Ready to go.
Jack stand, y'all. Get your jack stand. Put your jack stand underneath your ride.
What about this? When they're all loose. Let me find it. We'll come back.
Take off these factories, these fancies. My dog Chuck, R.I.P. Chuck, rest in peace, my brother. Put on these nice Texas replicas. We're gonna set it off, y'all. Don't make nothing fancy look like a little fancy. Got the ceiling caps with it too. 20s, 22s. Yes, sir. Look fancy, girl. You look fancy. Man, it's really too hot for me to be doing this, y'all. Seriously. Too hot, man. Think I'm gonna get the front on. Both of the front on. Get the other side on. We'll set it down. This might be a 9-part video as hot as it is. Alright, y'all, got the fronts on. Got a little squat happening too. I'm setting level. I like it. Now that I got them on there, I don't know. Might have to drop the front a little bit too. That's a 20. Wow. It wouldn't hurt to drop the front. Alright, I'm gonna go in here and cool off a minute. I'm gonna let the sun go down for a minute, let this heat chill, and then we'll come back out and we'll mess with this. But it's too hot, man. Too hot. I got a couple other things I got to knock out before the end of the day. So I really need to be out in this stuff, but I ain't as young as I used to be.
I ain't as young as I used to be, man. This heat, man, does a number on me. I mean, straight up, be honest, man. Putting the wheels on. It's 105 out here right now. 105, 102. I mean, once it hits 99, it don't really matter whether it's 105 or 102. It's hot. So, alright, see if that'll work for y'all. Y'all see the Ford? The Ford. We got the front one on up front, of course. We got the back one I'm trying to put on. Make it a little loud, off and on, dealing with. Okay. Don't like the extension.
See a broken belt shaped like an S. When I took it out last time, came around a curve, hit a bump. At the same time, broken belt. 20-year-old tires, I guess it's gonna happen that way, you know what I mean? Texas edition 2022. I keep meaning to get me some wire wheel and some paint. Go ahead and paint all this. been that I'm gonna do a flip kit sooner or later. I'll get it all in. See how she drives with the other wheels on it. We still ain't 100% legal, so we don't want to keep trying our luck. And we have to come up some more. All right, we're on the other side. Go ahead and knock them off. Get this wheel off. This one here is the one wheel peel action. So it's gonna be a little more ball, but it does not have. It's not a broken belt tire, but it is 20-something years old. And this wheel here shows a lot more of the, you can see a lot more of what's going on in the brake hub, the leaf spring, the frame, which is cool. Definitely got clean all that up, make it look presentable, you know what I mean? Hey, on there, baby. Let me set it down. I don't know how much more it's gonna come down. They are on there. To do the squat that I want to do. They poke out a little further. I can still bring it down though. I need to bring it. It ain't gonna hurt to bring it down. This truck. If I had a way, I'm gonna try something, y'all. Hold on. All right. I brought it down just a little bit. I put a ratchet strap on it just to see how it would do. Come down. Put a little weight in it, it'll probably bring it down too. I gotta watch it because we'll try the flip kit, see how it does. And then try and get a smaller tire, somewhat mimic the front. And it will still be staggered, but not as tall in the back. Yeah, I like the look, man. I like the look. Cortez Restomod, my brother, appreciate you. 100. 100. You want to walk around? Y'all done heard enough about the truck. We haven't started up. We haven't got no exhaust done yet. Interior's still the same. I do got to line on some seats. I'm not really sweating that right now. I got a bigger issue that I need to take care of. Look at that. I like them. I like them. This camera really makes nothing fancy look like fancy. I ran across one of these and like a dummy. I didn't try to get it. No big deal. I don't have any headlights. I did get the tach to work, but I have no headlights. I believe that's in the switch. What y'all think about it, man? What y'all think about them wheels right there? Right there. Right there. Chicken. I'm gonna give y'all too much background, man. It's 22 and the 20 and the Ford staggered. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Let's see what these are back here. What we got? The tire size in the back is, oh Lord. And they are directional. They are directional. 285, 45, 22. And then let's see what we got up front. I love the way it looks up front right now. I do. We got a 275, 45, 20. I like the way it looks, period. Look at that. The Texas editions. I'm not a big fan of directional wheels. These are non-directional, and they really do what I want them to do as far as the look I want to have. Yes, sir. And like I said, I didn't want to go no big wheel neither. I didn't want to do 24s or 26s or nothing like that. Like I said, I had 26s on it, way too big. These are plenty big enough. Plenty big enough. Well, let's get some driving action with them on. Get y'all some footage of some driving going.